Hello, Dasha.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
And how is your mother?
My mother is fine.
And how is your brother?
My brother is fine.
And how is your father?
He's fine.
Okay, and ask about my brother, mother, father, sister, brother.
Is your brother? Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. I have a brother. Do you know how my brother is?
How is your brother?
He is fine, thank you. And do you know how my mother is?
How your mother?
How?
Is your mother fine?
Yes, she is. She is fine. Okay.
Is your father fine?
Yes, he is. He is fine. Dasha, look out of the window. Is the weather fine?
Weather is fine.
Okay, why do you think so? Why is the weather
Because
fine?
sun in the sky.
Okay.
Because sky is blue.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Because it is not raining.
Okay, and what season is it now? Is it winter?
No,
It is not winter. Is it autumn?
it is spring.
Oh, it's spring. Why do you think so? Why is it spring?
Because it is
Mhm.
a flowers.
Do flowers grow?
Yeah.
Yes, flowers grow. Well,
And
does grass grow?
grass.
And grass grows. Flowers grow. Grass grows. Okay. And what is there on the ground?
And leaves in
There are many leaves on the trees. Okay, and what color are the trees?
there are green.
They are green. The trees are green. Okay, Dasha. Well, Dasha, I have a friend. Do you know who my friend is?
No.
No, you don't know. Guess. Look, just a minute. Look, here is my friend behind the door. Okay, do you know who is it?
I don't.
You don't know. Guess.
Is it a cat?
No, it isn't. It is not a cat.
Is it a...
Okay, Dasha, first guess where my friend lives.
Is your...
Does he live
Does he live in America?
in America? No, he doesn't. He doesn't live in America. Mhm.
Does he live in England?
In England? He doesn't live in England.
Does he live in... does he live in Russia?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't live in Russia. Well, Dasha, do you know, maybe he lives on the farm, in the city, on the
Does
lake?
he live in the lake?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't live in the lake.
Does he live at home?
Sometimes he lives at home. He lives at home in the city. Sometimes he lives on the farm. Okay, and do you know what does he eat?
Does he eat cheese?
Cheese? No, it doesn't eat cheese.
Does he eat eats
Does he eat
eat meat?
meat? Yes, he does. He eats meat.
Does he eat chicken?
Chicken? Yes, he does. Sometimes he eats chicken. Okay, well, Dasha, and now guess what he does?
Does he
Run?
yes?
Yes, he does. He runs.
Does he swim?
Yes, he does. He swim.
Does he jump?
Yes, he does. He jumps.
Does he fly?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't fly. He runs, jumps, and swim. Okay.
And
Guess
does he?
who is my friend?
Is it a dog?
Yes, it's a dog. Bow wow, bow wow. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Marina Vasilyevna. Hello, a dog. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And who? Are you a dog?
No.
You are not a dog. Are you a cat?
No, I am not a cat.
Are you a frog?
No, I am not an animal.
You are not an animal. And who are you? I am a dog. Who are you?
I am
Are you a girl or a boy?
I'm a girl.
Okay. Are you a big girl or a little girl?
Big.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Dasha.
Oh, glad to see you, Dasha. Glad to see you. Okay, Dasha, now let's play the reporters. You are the reporter and you can ask my friend any questions you like, okay? Ask about his father, ask about his mother, what he does every day, okay? Where he lives, how old is my friend? Here is your microphone, okay? Okay.
What do you like?
Oh,
Animals.
what do I like to eat, to do?
To do.
To do. Okay, I like to swim, I like to run, and I like to play with my friends.
Do you eat cheese?
Oh no, I don't. I don't eat cheese.
Do you eat sausage?
Oh
Sometimes?
yes, sometimes I eat sausage. For breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner.
Do you eat bananas?
Oh no, I don't. I don't eat bananas.
Do you eat a fish?
Oh no, I don't. I don't eat a fish.
Do-
Dasha, ask my friend about
How old are you?
I am 5. Ask about his parents. Ask
Do
about.
you have a mother?
Oh yes, I do. I have a mother. Do you know what is his mother's job?
What your mother job?
Oh, my mother is a doctor.
Do you have a father?
Yes, I do. I have a father.
What he do? What does
What does he do? What does he do? What does your father do? Do you want to know what's his father's job, Dasha? Okay, my father is a businessman, Dasha. And do you know what do businessmen do? What do they do?
make
They make
money.
money. Okay, and do you know what do doctors do?
They
They do they make people better?
Make children better.
Children and people better. Okay, well,
Do you have a brother?
yes, I do. I have a brother.
It is a big or little?
Is your brother
Big,
or
little.
oh, my brother is big. My brother is not little. My
How
brother
old
is brave.
is he?
Oh, my brother is 15. Yes, he's very big. He's very big.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I do. I have a sister.
Do you have 2 sisters?
No, I don't. I don't have 2 sisters. I have only 1 sister. Okay.
It is little or big?
Is your sister?
A little or big?
Oh, my sister is little. She doesn't go to school.
How old is she?
Okay, she is only 3. She doesn't go to school. She stays at home. She reads books in the evening.
Do you like go to school?
I am 5. I don't go to school. I stay at home with my sister.
And
Dasha, do you know?
like or raining?
Oh, I don't like when it is raining. I like when the sun is in the sky and the sky is blue. I don't like rainy weather. I like fine weather. Dasha, and do you know what does this dog do in winter?
What do you in winter do?
What do you do in winter? I toboggan in winter. Dasha, and do you toboggan in winter?
Yes, I like to.
Okay, I ski in winter. Dasha, do you ski in winter?
No,
You don't
I
ski.
don't. I
You
don't.
can't ski. You cannot ski. Okay, you cannot ski. I skate in winter. And what about you?
I
Dasha, and what do you do in
I-
winter? You like to skate? Do you like to skate? Okay, very good girl. Okay, well, thank you, Dasha.
like play in winter.
Do you like to play snowballs in winter? Okay, well, and do you like to make snowmen
Yes,
in winter?
I
And
love
I like to make snowmen in winter with my sister and with my brother and with my friends. Okay, well, Dasha, do you know where does this dog live? Maybe he lives in the flat or maybe he lives in the house, I don't know.
Do you live in the house, little house?
Oh no, I don't live in the house.
Do you live in the city?
Yes, I do. I live in the city.
Do you live in at home?
At home? Oh, yes, I do. I live at home. I live in the flat. Okay. Well, Dasha, and ask this
What
dog.
do you drink?
What?
What do you drink?
Drink? I like to drink water sometimes. I like to drink tea, and I like to drink milk. Yes. And I like to. Well, Dasha, do you like to drink milk?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Dasha, now you are not reporter. I want to be the reporter. Okay? Okay. Dasha, where do you live? Do you live in the city or in the farm?
I live in the city.
Okay. And do you live in the flat or in the house?
In the flat.
Okay. And how many rooms are there in the flat?
There are 3 rooms.
In your flat. Okay. And what are they?
There is a children's room, a sitting room, and a bedroom.
Okay. Very good, my friend. Okay, Dasha. And which room do you like best?
I like children's room.
And what is there in your children's room? Is your children's room big or small?
Big.
It is big. Is
And she
it light or dark?
light.
And it is very light. Okay.
And in the
Dasha,
TV, we have TV.
you have TV in your children's room? Okay, Dasha, and what do you do in your children's room?
I play, I watch TV,
Do you sleep in your children's room?
I sleep on TV.
And do you eat in your children's room?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. And what do you eat sometimes in your children's room?
Bread.
Do you eat bread with sausage and cheese? No. Oh. And do you eat bread with apple jam? No. Do you eat bread with sweets? No, you don't. You
I
eat bread.
Sweet.
You eat sweets. Okay. Well, Dasha. And are there many toys in your?
Yes, very, very.
There are very many toys. Okay, very good, my friend. Okay, well, now we are not reporters, okay? Dasha, I have the picture of my children's room. Of my children's room. Okay, look.
I'm 7.
You are 7?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, Dasha, and what is your... I forgot to ask you about your family. Dasha, and what is your brother's name?
He's Andrei.
Okay, his name is Andrei. And who is bigger, your brother or you?
My brother. He is 12.
He is 12. Wow, your brother is very big. Okay. Well, Dasha, and what is your mother's name?
My mother's name she
What is her name? Her name is Alla. Okay, and what is your father's name?
Сережа.
His name is Seryoja. And do you have a grandmother?
Yes.
Yes, you do. You have a grandmother. And what is her name? Her name?
Her name is Tanya.
Okay, very good, my friend. Okay, Dasha. And do you go to school?
Yes.
Yes, you go to school. And is your brother a pupil? Is he a
Yes.
pupil? Yes, he is. He is a pupil. And what does he do?
He's Tanya.
He studies. Okay. Well, and Dasha, and do you like to study? Yes, you do. You like to study. Okay. Well, Dasha, let's play a game. Let's play. Do you do you want to play with green words?
Yes.
Yes. Sit down on the floor, my friend. First, let's count. Oh, Jack, sit down on the floor. Let's play with us. Okay? Well, Dasha, let's count how many green words do we
1,
have.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Okay. Well, Dasha, you are the first. Okay, take any word and read.
My.
Okay. City.
Weekend.
Okay. Your. Mhm.
One.
Okay. What?
Chair.
Very good, my friend. Me.
But.
Good girl. Oh, how? It's my word. Mhm.
Here.
Okay. Picture.
Fly.
Very good, my friend. Don't.
Does.
Very good, my friend. Who?
Secret.
Good girl. Guess.
General.
Good girl. You. Okay, Dasha, how many words do you have?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 10 words. Okay, good girl. Well, can I have your card, please? Dasha, you're a very clever girl. Mhm. Okay. Well, look, Dasha, Jack wants to show you, oh, don't stand up, to show you his children's room. Okay, look. What is there in the children's room?
There is a doll.
Okay,
There is a ball.
okay,
There is a bed.
okay, in the children's room.
There is a mat.
What color is the mat?
It is
Look, what color is the mat?
green.
It is green, okay.
That
What is there on the wall?
There is a picture.
Where is a picture on the wall? Okay.
There is
And what color are the walls? They
red.
are.
They are red.
They are not red. Look, have a look.
They are pink.
Okay, the walls are pink.
And wardrobe.
Is it a
A
wardrobe?
bookcase.
There is a bookcase.
In the
Children's room. Okay, now Dasha, look at the picture. Say, what is there in the children's room?
There is there are
Are there blocks on the carpet?
blocks.
How many blocks are there on the carpet?
3 blocks.
There are 3 blocks on the
And
carpet, okay?
there is a table on the floor. There
Is it a table, Dasha?
Yes.
What's the difference between the desk and the table?
A table.
What do we do at the desk? Do we write at the desk?
We eat
Where do we eat? At the desk or at the table?
at the table.
Okay, and what's this?
This is
Is it a desk or a table?
a desk.
This is a desk. Okay,
There is a chair by the desk.
okay,
There is a lamp on the desk.
okay, very good, my friend.
The floor are yellow.
Is?
Is yellow.
Okay, very good, my friend. Do you like it?
There is a car on
In there?
the bookcase.
Okay, well,
And flowers.
there is a flower in the
In the-
bookcase.
Bookcase.
And there is a flower. Do you like his children's room?
Yes.
Okay, well, and I like my room. Okay, Dasha, and tell me please, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat for breakfast.
Do you eat some cereal for breakfast?
I eat sausage.
You eat sausage for breakfast. And what does your mother eat for breakfast?
No, she doesn't eat sausage on
And
the
your mother
breakfast.
says-
No,
And what does your mother eat for
she eats
breakfast?
sandwich maybe.
Do you eat some bread with sausage and cheese?
You don't know.
You don't
With
know.
cheese, yes.
Do you eat some breakfast, some bread with cheese for breakfast?
Yes.
And what do you drink for breakfast? Some coffee or some tea?
Some tea.
Okay, very good. And what does your mother usually drink for breakfast? Does she drink coffee or does she drink
Mother
tea?
eat tea.
She drinks?
Tea, and I don't.
You don't drink tea? Okay. And does your mother drink tea with sugar and milk? And with lemon?
No.
No, she doesn't. Does she?
Without
Don't
sugar,
know.
without lemon.
Okay. Well, very good, my friend. Okay, Dasha, but it's time for me to go away. I must go. Well, you're a very good girl. Okay. Come again and speak with me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Dasha. Thank you, Mother. Goodbye.